So myself Likita. So here I'm a full stack trainer working here. So from today I'm going to handle your sessions on full stack UI. Okay. So yes, okay, audible, good. So throughout the session, both online and offline students, mainly online students, if you are not able to hear me, or if I'm not, you cannot see the screen that is shared, you can please let me know. You can unmute and talk to me, or you can also send the messages. Okay, only the video you can off it, because if you everyone is on the video, there may be some network issue. So because of that reason, but apart from that, you can unmute and share your doubts and all, and also you can always message in the chat box. Okay, I will be frequently checking the chat box and replying you. Okay. Okay, today we are going to do the demo 1 session on the full stack UI. This is the demo 1 session. So totally you will have the demo sessions as 3 sessions: demo 1, demo 2, and demo 3, and then regular sessions will be started. Okay, so in demo 3 sessions, in especially in the demo 1 session, you will be knowing about what are the topics or what you are going to gain by joining this full stack UI. ఓకే, అసలు మనం ఎందుకు ఫుల్ స్టాక్ యూఐ జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి, వాట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెయిన్ ఇట్ అనేది మీరు నేర్చుకుంటారు. ఓకే, సో ఐ హోప్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఈస్ కంఫర్టబుల్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఓకే, ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ throughout the session or our trainings, I will be handling the session in English, and in between any technical terms or anything, overall I will be explaining once in Telugu also, just for our students comfortable level. Okay, so now first we will be learning what are the modules that are going to be covered when you are joining for the full stack UI. Okay, so what are the modules and what you are going to gain by doing this course here, that you will be knowing. Okay, first full stack UI means what you will be learning. So మనం తెలుసుకోవాలి కదా first అసలు if you full stack UI లో ఏమేం నేర్చుకుంటాం అనేది. So let us see the modules here. Okay, so the modules, like first part you will be learning about like the UI. That is, UI stands for the user interface. What is that? User interface. So what is the main goal of this UI? To develop the real time applications. What? To develop the real time applications, right? So you will be seeing some bank applications, Flipkart, Amazon, like this. Will you see some applications? So like that, by learning this full stack, you will be developing some real time application. Okay, by the end of this full stack. So for developing that application, you need to know the UI to develop the front page. For example, I will open this. When you say here something in the Google like Amazon or something, so you will be opening some application, so you will be opening some website like this. So to view this front page, you need to know the technology of UI. What is that? UI, user interface. So what are the topics that you are going to learn in this UI? The first one is HTML, and the second one is CSS, and the third one is JavaScript. Okay, and along with this you will also learn some framework like open source library, that is React.js. Okay, these are the modules that are going to be covered in the UI: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the React.js. Actually we have React or AngularJS, but based upon the demand we will be teaching you. Okay, but as of now we are taking React.js because every company that were approaching us were asking mainly on the React.js. So that is the reason we are teaching here now React.js. Okay, sometimes if they ask more demand on AngularJS, we will teach that. Okay, it depends upon the requirement that we get. And the second module you will be learning about the Java modules, and in this you will be learning about, like, you can call this as a backend, what we can call backend technology. And UI comes under the front end. What we do? Front end. So to develop complete application, you need to know the front end as well as back end, correct? So now here in the back end, you will be learning the core concepts of Java programming, and then you will also learn about the advanced topics, and then you will be learning about the frameworks. The frameworks can be like Spring and Spring Boot, and also about the ORM tool, that is Hibernate. So these are the modules you will be learning in the Java, like core, advanced, and the frameworks. Okay, and we need some connection for this. What is that connection? See, when you open any application like Gmail or Yahoo Mail, or when you want to sign in here, it will ask you the user ID and password, is it or not? Will it ask? So when you click the user ID and submit button, it has to check your credentials, yes or no? మీరు random గా ఒక యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇస్తే కనెక్ట్ అయిపోతుందా? No. You will first register with user ID. Gmail ఉందనుకోండి, suppose you open the Gmail. Okay, let us open the Gmail. Suppose you want to create some Gmail or Yahoo Mail you are creating. So when you create this, it will ask you the Gmail ID and the password. Sorry, mail ID and the password you have to give. Without clicking, can you log in? No. Correct? So you have to create one ID and password. So when you create the ID and password, it needs to check somewhere whether you are entering the correct ID and correct password. Yes or no? I know everyone will be having Gmail accounts, right? When you click, it will say, it will check whether you have given your correct ID and correct password or not. Will it check or not? Yes. So how it is checking? It has to store somewhere your data. Yes or no? It has to store somewhere your data. So that also you will be learning here. How it is storing, where it is storing, and how to retrieve it. Okay. So that database you will be learning with Oracle, or some people will be doing with MySQL also. But we will be teaching here with Oracle. No problem if you have MySQL database also. Both you can work. And in this common languages, you will be learning like SQL and PL SQL. Okay. So these are the three modules you are going to learn throughout your full stack. Okay. So like UI and Java in the backend, and to the connection we will be using database. Clear everyone? What are the modules you are going to learn? Online students, is it clear everyone? Any doubts are there? Please let me know. If you have any doubts, you can let me know. Okay, good. So now these are the coming to the our modules that you're going to learn. We will see in detail like about the modules in some time. But before this, I also wanted to tell you about the duration of your complete course. Means you should also know about in how many months, ma'am, I'm going to finish this course, how much time it is going to take. So for completing the front end, that is UI, you will be taking almost like 3 months duration. And also to the back end, you will be again taking 3 months course of time along with project, I'm telling. So it will be taking 3 months time, and in between we will be teaching you the database. Totally in 6 months you will be completing your course. How many months it takes? The duration is 6 months. In 6 months, you will be completing your full stack course. See, in the beginning of the module, we will be teaching only the single module. అంటే ఒకేసారి UI, Java, SQL start చేస్తే it will be confusing, right? And there will be people who know programming or computer side background technically and all. There will be few people completely new. So we want to satisfy all the students. Okay, thinking about each and every student, understanding for every student is the priority. For everyone it has to be understood. So we will go step by step. When you're learning the first module in the UI, for 1 month or 1.5 month maybe, you will be learning the single course, that is UI only. After 1.5 month we will be starting two modules. That means what? After 1.5 month you will be starting with SQL. Em నేర్చుకుంటారు? SQL. సో ఎస్క్యూఎల్ కి యూఐ కి మనకేమి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, ఒకేసారి నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. యూ కెన్ లెర్న్ దమ్ టుగెదర్, no problem. So in the beginning you will be starting with UI. After 1.5 month you will be starting with database. By the time 3 months gets over, you will complete two modules. One is UI and the other one is what? Database. And remaining 3 months you will be doing the backend. So we have planned like that. Okay, in between, we, if anyone want, ma'am, I don't want like this, I want step by step, yes, you can choose in any way. Okay, so whatever it is. So this is the course duration that you are going to learn. Okay, and how the classes are taught to you. So the classes, like every day I will be creating the running notes like this. Okay, whatever I am explaining, I will write step by step like this. Okay, suppose I am talking about HTML, so I will be explaining about HTML step by step. That notes I will be sharing with you, and along with that there will be a document on HTML. Suppose one topic, you will have subtopics, right? For every module you will be having subtopics. On that subtopic you will be shared with the notes. Okay, so every day you will get the running notes as well as the topic notes separately as a document. Okay, and along with that you will also be getting the recordings. What is that? Recordings. Maybe see, today you will attend online, some people have attended offline also, correct? So now by chance, by any emergency or something, you missed the session, you could not attend the session, but you can always follow the recording of the missing session. Every day they will send you after the class within 1 or 2 hours, because they have to format it and send you. They take 1 2 hours time, and they will send you the recording of the class. ఇవాళ ఏం జరిగిందో అదంతా మీకు రికార్డింగ్ పంపిస్తారు. ఓకే, దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఫాలో ద రికార్డింగ్. మ్యామ్ ఎన్ని రోజులు ఉంటుంది ఆ రికార్డింగ్? You will have the recordings and notes availability for almost 12 months, that is 1 year. Okay, the accessibility for your notes and the recordings will be for how much? 1 year time. So at any point of time you miss the sessions, you can follow the recordings, and in the next session, even though you follow the recording, you're not able to get it, there is always chance of that, right? So then you can just ask me in the next session. Okay, I request everyone to join the session at least 5 to 10 minutes before. So I will be like joining exactly like 15 minutes before.
Hello, ma'am. Madam, hello. Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am. Hello.
Okay, can you hear me now? Can you see the screen shared? Sorry, there was a power cut and network has been disconnected. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Okay, sorry for disturbance. It was suddenly there was some network issue. Current power has gone. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay then. Okay, this is about the course duration and how you will be getting the notes and the recordings like you can access like throughout the year. So this is about the format that we are going to do. And for every module that you are learning here, we will be conducting the mock interviews. Like suppose there is a module HTML completed and CSS got completed, we will be sending you the form, okay, to your mobile, so that what you have to just fill the form and attend the mock interviews, so that it will help you for attending the real time interviews. Okay, so for every module you have to attend the mock interview and your score will be recorded. Okay, and also every day session you will be having the assignments. Okay, maybe once the topic is completed 2 days once or 3 days once you will be having the assignments. Okay, so you can follow the assignments and do the assignments and then submit me. Okay, so why this mock interviews and assignments are compulsory? Why it is required? See, to crack a job, you may be technically very strong, you learned UI, you learned Java, or you learned completely backend, but you are not able to communicate properly, or you are not able to answer properly. You know, you are technically might be very strong, but what will be the first and second rounds of your interview? Written test and the communication round will be there. In technical round also they will see how you are answering, how you are communicating, correct? So that is very important. So we conduct here mock interviews to overcome your fear and nervousness, so that you can perform better when you are attending the real time interviews. Okay, so that will be there, and also assignments will be given you, like when you go to the written test pattern, like what kind of programs they may ask, what type of projects they may give you, those all we will be giving you in the assignments list. Okay, so this is how the process of the mock interviews and assignments will be there. And one more important uh, module we have added actually for our full stack recently from the last few two batches, that is the communication classes and also aptitude classes. Communication and what? Aptitude classes. So what does you will be learning in this communication and aptitude? In the aptitude, whenever you go for the interview, first test will be the written test, right? In the written test they will ask you the aptitude questions. Even though you are very much good at technical skills, if you are not knowing the aptitude, you cannot show your performance in the next rounds, right? That is the difference we have seen with our students in the previous batch. Students from the companies, we got the feedback like they might be technically good but they are not able to through the aptitude and the communication. So recently we have started this aptitude and communication classes with separate trainer. So every day or weekly 2 days or 3 days you will be having aptitude as well as the communication classes. Okay, as I said, from beginning day you will not be having this all, you will be having only one module, because at a time it is difficult. After the first module completes, like 1.5 month, then we will be starting these classes. Not every day, because it will be hectic to you. So we will be giving 2 days communication and 2 days or 3 days aptitude. Based upon your free time you can join, and that also you will be having online as well as offline mode, anything you can join. Okay, is it clear everyone? Online students, is it clear? Okay, am I audible now? Okay, okay, as I said, this communication and the aptitude classes you will be getting for, like, along with the fee that you have paid for full stack, like free. You are not, you need not again pay for the aptitude and the communication separately. Along with the course of full stack whatever you have enrolled, with that you will be getting the communication and aptitude classes absolutely for the free. So because of that you should not miss your interview, right? So that is the reason we are adding these two modules for our full stack, along with core advanced Java topics and UI and the database. You will be also learning about the communication and aptitude classes. Okay, online students, is it clear? Okay, so at any point of time if you are not able to hear, let me know. So okay, any questions do you have till now that I have taught? Any questions do you have? You can let me know. Okay, so next I want to tell about one more topic, that is internship, that we are going to do in our full stack program. So what is this internship? See, here along with the course, we are going to provide you the internship certificate of duration 6 months. That means after completing the course, you can put in your resume that you have done internship in a company for 6 months. So along with this Asha trainings, we have the parent company Yokta Technologies. Though from the Yokta Technologies company, you will get a certificate of, like, you have done internship on particular course and with the project, real time project, and you can submit that project to the company when you go for the interview. See, generally without doing the project, if you put that in your resume and show it, definitely they will ask you what project you have done and how you have done. They will definitely ask you questions, right? You should be able to answer that. So because of that reason, along with the course, we will also teach you one real time project in the last 3 months. So in first 3 months you will be completing one module with the database. So in these two modules you will be start doing the real time project. By the time you complete all the three modules, you will be doing one real time project along with the course, and additionally one more project for the internship. So in that internship project you will be using all the technologies that you have learned in the course, like UI or Java, and then you will database everything, you will combine and you will develop one project. So because of that, if you put that in your resume, it really weights. They will see that, okay, they have done already internship, so we need not give them again training. So they, you will be definitely having the first preference, but you should be able to answer the questions. You will be definitely doing that because you will be doing that project by yourself. మీకు మీరుగా చేస్తారు. ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేను స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ మీతో చేపిస్తాను, నేను చేస్తాను, అండ్ ఇంకొక ప్రాజెక్ట్ మీ ఓన్గా మీరు చేస్తారు కంప్లీట్లీ. So that I will help you in that project in the last, if you do also, but certificate lo మీకు 6 months చేసినట్టు వస్తుంది. Okay, so that project and the certificate will really help you in your job, okay, in the interviews. Okay, this is one point. And Along with this internship program, we are also providing the stipend. Okay, is it clear, online students, about the internship? Okay. Okay, Indrasena, I will explain about Spring JPA. This is the framework module, ma. So this you will be able to. Okay, am I audible now? Online students,
Audible,
am
ma'am.
I audible? Okay.
Audible, audible.
See, okay, someone has messaged me, Sneha. Am I audible now, Sneha? Okay. Okay, I will answer the questions. Indra Sena, yes, Spring JPA means it will be, you will be having in the frameworks, you will be learning about Java Persistence API, that you will be learning separately. After Java, core and advanced topics, you will be learning that. That will come under the frameworks. Okay, so that you will be learning. Now it will be difficult to understand without prior knowledge. Okay, it will be helpful in developing the real time applications. And yes, about the placement opportunity, yes, we will 100% show you the opportunity, not like the placement. We will show you the opportunity to attend, but how you are performing will be always depends on you. So if you are not attending regularly, or you are not giving mock interviews, or if you are not doing assignments, we cannot help you, right? So if you are attending 100%, like if you are attending regularly, at least 80% of attendance, and mock interviews, you are getting good score above 6, or at least 6 and above, definitely you will be getting the job. Okay, so from our side, we will be providing you a chance to attend the company interview, and how you are performing will be dependent on you. That is the reason, along with technical, we have also started the communication skills and aptitude skills, so that will help you. Okay, is it clear about the placement, Shivaji and Sneha? Am I audible now? Okay. Mm. And then, okay, yes, I will be handling your total course of the full stack. Okay, I will be handling core, advanced topics and frameworks of Java, as well as I will be handling the UI and the database completely. Okay, and we will be also doing the project, so that throughout full stack I will be there, so I will be also knowing about you, and we can do it completely. And voice, can you hear my voice now, Sneha? I think only from check from once your side. What about others? Can you just, yes, Ravi Kumar, I will answer your question. All of you remaining, can you all hear me? Only I think Sneha is not able to hear my voice. Sneha, once just check with your site network issue. Okay. See, as I said, now we are going to teach about React JS. Someone asked about, like, I think Ravi Kumar, you have a doubt about the Angular JS. Okay, so as of now, we are going to teach React JS, but Angular JS is very easy when compared to React JS. So, along HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Angular JS will be in the same format. So, if anyone requires, by the time we complete your module, if Angular JS is at that time required, along with React, I will also tell you Angular JS. Don't worry. Suppose the requirement comes, we will not leave you like that. So, we will also be giving the information on Angular JS also. Okay, that is easy when compared to the React JS. You can learn it very fast. Okay, any more questions, Ravi Kumar? Is that your doubt? Okay. Yes, I will explain React JS, Angular JS. Mainly, we will do complete module on React JS first. మనం HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery కూడా చెప్తాం, అందులో ఇంక్లూడ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ we will start React JS. And if someone is much required but you have an opportunity on Angular JS, definitely I will add that also. Okay, but most of them are coming with React JS. That is the reason we included React in the module. Okay. Is it fine? I think I have answered all questions. Any more doubts are there? Okay, what is the batch size? See, the batch size we will be having like online and offline students handling, so that the batch size will be good. Along maybe 25 to 35 students, we can accommodate both offline and online. So the batch size will be like that. And all of you, those who are attending online and offline, please send a message to this number. Take a minute of time and send a message to this number that you have attended demo one session. Why means they will send you the link of the recording as well as the notes. ఇవాళ రికార్డింగ్ నుంచి మీకు వస్తుంది. Okay, so if you have given the message to this number, online students, all of you, please message to this number so that they can send you the recordings and the class notes from today. Okay, so whatever the running notes I'm writing this, you might be having some doubts, right? What are the modules, what about the stipend, what about the internship and all, so that you can refer the running notes. Okay, so all of you, please send a message to this number, online and offline students. Just take a minute of time and send the message. I'm just providing the number here. This is a number. You can just send a message. Online students. Okay, how many students? See, it depends. We cannot tell like that. See, those who comes regularly and attend. Recently, also we have put in the Instagram and all. We have posted the success stories. You can just check with that. If the students are coming regularly and doing everything, definitely they will get the job, and according to the opportunities provided. Okay, and E6, yes, ES6 ECMA script will be telling in JavaScript. Yes, also the data fetching. Yes, we will be handling. Recently, also in the internship after the project, they have done one project on API data fetching. They have got the requirement from the company, so we did the project on API data fetching also. Yes. Okay. Okay, Satya, we will help you in all the ways for attending classes and mock interviews, everything we will be attending. And yes, you will be finally learning about the GitHub to deploy the project and all. You will be learning. Okay, about the batch size, it depends. We can occupy a good number of batch size, 25 to 30, both online and offline. Okay. Sure, they will be sending to your number, Shivaji. You can just give a message that you have attended the demo session, so that they will send you the link of the notes as well as the. I will suggest them to send the link also. Okay. So I was explaining about the internship and stipend, right? So what about this stipend? We will be providing. So without stipend, I think you know how much you have to pay. And with stipend, when you are paying the fee certain amount, in that last 3 months, you will be paying the stipend of 5,000 in the last 3 months. And how, when you will be paid, there is a condition that your attendance should be 80 percentage. Your attendance should be what? 80 percentage. And your marks should be in mock interviews or anything, it should be more, greater than or equal to how much? 6. At least 6 you have to get. So these are the two criterias mainly you have to follow. And also we have a lab facility in the third floor. Okay, along with the sessions conducted here, we have the lab facility in the third floor. Everyone has to come and do the lab. From morning 9 to evening 6, we have the lab facility. You can come and sit there and practice at your comfortable time, because you have to come and practice in the lab. There will be mentors along with me. I will be also available in the morning time. You can always ask me, and you have other trainers also who can explain you during your doubt session. Okay, so you have to practice and use the lab facility. And when you are following all the three criterias, you will be getting the stipend. Is it clear? You will be getting the stipend in the last 3 months. Okay. See, it won't be so tough that you cannot get the stipend on and all. Our main intention is the student has to attend regularly. So what happens beginning 1.5 month, everyone will be attending regularly. After that, they may just uh, will be attending if infrequently, and finally if you're not getting the job, it will be a problem. So just to give you the motivation, we have started this. So your attendance should be must. When you attend at least 80% and you get more than 6, definitely you will gain the knowledge, yes or no? Then it will be easy for you to get the job. Correct? So when you follow or get all these criteria, you will be eligible for the stipend. Clear? And along with this, ma'am, I could not attend. I'm already working. I don't want the stipend or something, but I want the internship certificate. Internship certificate will be given for everyone. Okay, those who are enrolled for the course, they will, everyone will be getting the 6 months internship certificate. Only for the stipend, the criteria is 80% attendance, and mock interview score is should be at least 6 or more, and the you have to daily practice in the lab. Okay, at least you have to complete your assignments and show me. Ma'am, in any case, if I'm not able to attend that day, you can just put me a message. I have gone through recording, I have completed today's assignment. If you give me a message, I will give you attendance, no problem. Okay. Okay, that would not be a problem. We also wanted to give you the stipend, and you want to get you job. Okay, is it clear? Any doubts are there? Offline students, became doubts leva regarding the course or any other things that I have shared till now? ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా అండి? Yes, you will be having the, you have to pay for the course for the full stack. Then when you pay for the full stack course, you will be getting all this. Along with the course, you will be having communication aptitude, internship certificate, and the stipend. These all things you will be getting with the course fee. Sneha, I think it is problem from your side. Once check. Everyone, are you able to see the screen? Lab session means here they will be getting your laptops and practicing. At home, you can practice and send me. If I give every day, suppose 2 or 3 assignments, I'll give you a time of 2 days. You can do the assignments. Those who are attending online, they can submit me through the WhatsApp. So once we got enrolled, once the batch is formed, every one of us will be created with some WhatsApp group. So if you have any doubts at home, you are practicing on Saturday, Sunday. During that time also, you can ask me doubts by sending the message in WhatsApp. So I can reply you. So assignments who are attending online, they can send a screenshot. That will be considered. Those who cannot come to the lab and attend, who are attending. Yes, for every course you will be having the internship opportunity, like for full stack Python or Java. Okay. I think Sneha from your side some issue is there. Please check ma once. Everyone else are able to see the screen. Okay. So fee, I think they have shared already. Once again, I will ask the admin team to send you about the fee details. I think they shared with you. Everyone know about like maybe it is around 25K without stipend, and if you want with stipend, you have to pay 30K for complete course. Okay. Okay, Ravi Kumar. And along with this, you will be having one doubt, what is the prerequisite to learn for this full stack UI? Ma'am, what should I know before starting this course? Should I be computer side background or non-computer? Can a mechanical student or electrical student do this course? Absolutely yes. Okay, whatever background education you have, you can learn it with freshly, no problem. Okay, so your background stream of your education doesn't matter at all. Okay, ఏ స్ట్రీమ్ వాళ్ళైనా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో కంప్యూటర్స్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వాళ్ళే ఈ కోర్స్ చేయాలి అనే రూల్ ఏం లేదు. ఎనీ స్ట్రీమ్ ఆఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ యు ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఇన్ యువర్ కరికులం, యూ కెన్ లెర్న్ దిస్ course. And also you're working or you have taken a break in between, yes, you can learn and you can apply. Okay, if you have any years of gap in between education or anything, then also you can join and you can apply for the job. Okay, so this is like about the prerequisite before you have to start this course. Absolutely nothing, you can just learn directly. Okay, any questions you have, online and offline students? See, Node.js means yes, ECA students also can learn triple E, ECE, mechanical, because we will be teaching from scratch. Step by step, we will be teaching. We will be considering everyone as like non-computer. We will be teaching from scratch, no problem. Anyone can learn. Node.js, you will be learning when you are learning the React.js, because you have to install Node.js. So you will be learning about that. Okay, ma? Okay. So this is about the prerequisite that you have to know, or about when you're starting the full stack course module. Okay, done with writing about the number. Online students, you also please send a message to this number so that you will be getting the details. Okay, coming to the UI, that is we are going to start in the beginning module. So what does this UI contain? I said HTML, CSS and JavaScript with React.js. So ultimately we are learning this UI to develop the web application. What we are going to develop? Web application. So there are few terms here like web application and website. So is there any difference between web application and website? Can anyone tell me? Is there any difference between the web application and website? Or both are same? Online students, you also can answer. Is a web application and website? Which app download for practicing? Yes, we will be telling in coming sessions. Coming to the UI, you can use Notepad and practice, but along with the Notepad, for real time experience, we will be teaching with the Visual Studio. Okay, you can practice everything in the Visual Studio. Okay, so what is the difference between web application or website? Do you know? So first I will be telling about the web application. Web application is nothing but it is a software. Web application is a software which runs on server, which will run on server. Web application is nothing but which will run on server with the help of internet. With the help of internet. So we are doing this complete course to develop some application, right? So what is this web application? Yes, both are different. Web application is something but it is a software which will run with the help of internet on the server. So what are the examples of web application? Suppose if I tell you notepad. Okay, notepad is installed on your computer. Do you require internet for working with notepad? No, not required, right? So that is not a real time web application. Like Facebook is there, it is installed somewhere on the server at some machine. You will be accessing it through what? Internet. Without internet, can you access Facebook or Amazon or Flipkart? No. So such applications are called what? Web applications. Correct. So when you are talking about web application, it is nothing but a software which runs on server with the help of what? Internet. So that is what is called web application. So there are so many applications that can be run. Okay, when you're talking about web applications, there are different types of web applications. So what are they? Can anyone tell me? Did you hear about any time web application? Yes, Haripriya. Yes, you will be learning some information about Bootstrap also. So what are the different applications we have? Like desktop applications, correct? So we have something like desktop or standalone applications, and you will be having some web applications like which will run on the internet like Facebook and all. So that will be one applications, and also you will be having mobile applications. Okay, this which work on server, you can also call it as like enterprise applications. So desktop applications means which will work on local machine. Now notepad, wordpad, everything is one application, but it is installed on your machine. It does it require internet? No. Such applications we can call it as like desktop. And enterprise application, something like Facebook, everything which will take the help of internet to run, are called enterprise web applications. And then mobile applications, same application. If you are using on mobile, it should be mobile friendly also, right? Such applications will be called as what? Mobile applications. Okay, so for the desktop or standalone, you can consider something like notepad or anything, and here you can be saying like some Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart, anything. And then in the mobile, same application, when you open in the mobile, we call it as a mobile application. Nowadays we have something like Uber and so many applications where you can travel, Zepto or anything, to buy the groceries. So many mobile apps are there, right? So these all applications you will be able to develop. So these are all called as what? Web applications. Okay, these are all called as what? Web applications. Okay, and what is a website now? Okay, we have learned about, known about web application. Okay, we are learning everything to develop one web application, so we are knowing what is web application. Now what is website? Website is nothing but the address. Okay, that is the address of your web app. What is website? The address of your web app. So whatever Facebook or Amazon or anything, they will be giving you the address. Someone asked me some Instagram link, that is the address, right? So to open your web application, you need some address, correct? That address is nothing but it is a website. Okay, some people call it as a web application also, but website is actually what? The address of that is pointing to your web application. What is that? It is the address that is pointing to your web application. Like in the, we can also call it in technical terms URL. You might have heard URL. URL means uniform resource locator. So this is the URL we have, uniform resource locator. URL అంటే ఏం లేదు, అడ్రస్ ని మనం URL అంటాం. సపోజ్ https://gmail.com ఆర్ facebook.com అనేది దాని అడ్రస్, కంప్లీట్ అడ్రస్. సో దాన్ని మనం URL అంటాం. దిస్ URL is nothing but the website. So now is it clear about the difference between website and web application, everyone? So now by learning this course, you will be developing the complete web application. Okay, is it clear, online students? Okay, any doubts do you have? Am I clear? Okay, okay. So what about offline students? Am I audible to the people who are sitting in the last? Okay. So these are the things about the website and the web application that we are going to develop. Now, completely web applications are divided into like three modules. As I said, front end, back end, and the database. So you will be writing the front end in the UI, and you will be writing your business logic with the back end, and both you will be connecting with the database. You will be connecting with database. Okay, so this is what you are going to do to develop complete application. With UI you can develop only the front page. ఓకే, బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో మీరు డేటా ఇచ్చి స్టోర్ చేయడానికి యూఐ ఒక్కటి సరిపోదు. ఓకే, యూఐ ఎందుకు యూస్ చేస్తాం? ఓన్లీ ఫర్ డెవలపింగ్ ద ఫ్రంట్ పేజ్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఫర్ వ్యాలిడేటింగ్. మనం ఇప్పుడు ఒక జీమెయిల్లో పాస్వర్డ్ కానీ ఐడి కానీ ఎంటర్ చేయకుండా సబ్మిట్ నొక్కితే వెళ్తుందా? వెళ్ళదు. ఇట్ విల్ సే ప్లీజ్ ఎంటర్ యూజర్ నేమ్, ప్లీజ్ ఎంటర్ పాస్వర్డ్ అని మీకు ఒక మెసేజ్ వస్తుంది కదా. దోస్ వ్యాలిడేషన్స్ యూ కెన్ బీ డూయింగ్ విత్ దిస్ యూఐ. Not only developing the front page, along with that you can also use the validation techniques. What is that? Validation techniques. So these all you will be doing in the UI, and you will be developing the front end application, and in the back end you will be writing the code to connect to your database. Whatever you are writing in the application, it will fetch your data and it will store and retrieve from the database. Okay, so this is about the complete module that you are going to learn in the UI, full stack UI. Okay, see here, as I said, I will explain in detail about these topics. So we have seen about the UI, about some information, web application and website. And what about the Java? What you are going to learn in the core and advanced topics in the back end. Okay, that is also important to know. So first you will be learning about core concepts of Java. In this you will be starting to learn what is a program. Okay, so first of all you will be learning what is a program. Can anyone answer in technical terms what is a program? Program ante entandi? No problem, we can be interactive. So if you are answering the questions, we can understand, right, how much you know and all. Writing the code. Okay, so what is a program means? It is a set of instructions to perform a task. Okay, writing a code also correct. You can write some set of instructions to perform a particular task. Any, the task can be any simple one, adding two numbers, multiplying, division, anything is a program, right? How we will perform it step by step, that is called as a program. What is that called as a program? So in the back end you will be starting from the program. What is a program, and what is the different types of programming technologies we have, and why we are learning only Java programming. Okay, these all things you will be knowing in the core concepts. Okay, and you will be learning in the core Java the topics like all the OOPS concepts and the features of Java, and You will be learning about some important topics like multi-threading. Just I'm giving you the modules that you are going to cover in this, like multi-threading and everything, exception handling. Just I'm mentioning you the names. So these all you will be learning in detail. Still there are so many topics you will be learning. And in the advanced level of the Java, you will be learning about the database connection through JDBC. What is that? Database connection. అంటే మనం రాసిన అప్లికేషన్ డేటాబేస్ కి కనెక్ట్ అయితేనే కదా మనం ఇచ్చిన యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ కరెక్టో కాదో చెక్ చేయగలం, అవునా? సో యూ విల్ బి లెర్నింగ్ అబౌట్ JDBC and you will also learn about the servlets and JSP with EL also, expression language. So these are the topics you will be learning in the advanced level of the Java. And along with that you will be learning framework Spring, Spring Boot, and in that Spring JPA submodules, everything you will be learning. Clear? So this is about the backend module. Any more questions? Any topics that you feel that has to be added and all? Is it clear, everyone? Okay, this is about the backend. Okay, yes, set of instructions, correct. It's a block of code. Yes, Benny and Prasanna, yes, it's correct. Yes, it will be covered. REST API will be covered. Yes, Santosh, it will be covered. And along with this, the third module we have as like database. Just మీకు వాట్ ఈస్ వాట్ అనేది చెప్తున్నాను. మనం ఇన్ డీటెయిల్ గా HTML, CSS, జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ అన్ని నేర్చుకుంటాం. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ డేటాబేస్? So first of all, tell me, if there are few students, like 10 to 20 people are there, I can easily store in a book, correct? Your information, your name, address, mobile number. If someone comes and asks me about your information, your attendance, yes, I can tell. But if thousands and thousands of people are there, can I store the information in book? If they ask me information after few months or 6 months, when he came, when he did not come, or what about his information, can we answer? No one can answer fastly. We need lot of manpower and time will be wasted. So how it will be if there is something which can store in the system, in the database, and you can retrieve it very faster? That advantage we have with what? Database. Database is used to store huge amount of data. Whenever you have more amount of data, you can use what? Database. Got it? So database is used for that purpose, for storing huge amount of data. In this you will be learning with Oracle database, like how you can store, how you can retrieve, how you can insert, delete everything. ఒక కంపెనీలో కానీ కాలేజ్ ఆర్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో ఒక ఒక కొత్త స్టూడెంట్ యాడ్ అయినా, లేదా ఎవరైనా డిలీట్ అయినా, డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ మారినా మనం అప్డేట్ చేయాలి కదా, అవునా? సపోజ్ ఏ పర్సన్ కి ప్రమోషన్ వచ్చింది, యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ హిమ్ హైక్ ఇన్ ద సాలరీ, అంటే సాలరీ హ్యాస్ టు బి updated. So these all things we can perform with the database. Okay, ma'am, you will be teaching with Oracle database in the company. If they are using MySQL, will this help me? Yes. SQL and PLSQL are the common languages. What are they? Common languages for any database. You use Oracle, MySQL, Postgre, any database you use, you will be learning commonly what language? SQL and PLSQL. So మీరు ఏ డేటాబేస్ మీదైనా వర్క్ చేయొచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓన్లీ ఫ్యూ సింటాక్స్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి, అది కూడా ఫ్యూ క్వరీస్ లో. ఓకే, దట్ వీ కెన్, మ్యామ్ నేను MySQL లో చేస్తున్నాను, ఇది వర్క్ కాలేదు అంటే ఐ విల్ హెల్ప్ ఆన్ దట్. ఓన్లీ దట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ ఫ్యూ క్వరీస్. అండ్ అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బి సేమ్. మీరు ఒరాకిల్ యూస్ చేసినా, MySQL యూస్ చేసినా, ఫర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి సేమ్. Okay, so this is about the database you are going to learn on Oracle for storing the huge amount of data. And ఒక SQL PLSQL కాదు, మీకు వాట్ ఈస్ డేటాబేస్, వాట్ ఈస్ డేటాబేస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ సిస్టమ్, వాట్ ఈస్ RDBMS, okay, and also about normalization. Means I'm just giving you the topics you will be learning. ఎందుకంటే మీరు కంపెనీ ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు డేటాబేస్, ఒరాకిల్, SQL, PLSQL నేర్చుకున్నారు అంటే దే విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ what is DBMS అంటే just SQL అవే అడగరు. They will ask you the interview questions on these topics also. So you will be learning about all these things. Acid properties ఇట్లా చాలా ఉంటాయి. So you will be learning the basic information and then you will be doing SQL and PLSQL. Okay, is it clear everyone about the modules? Okay, not AWS. It will be completely on UI and backend Java completely, and then database. Any more questions I have missed? Okay. So am I very fast or you understood everything? Is it clear everyone? Yes? Okay, everyone answer it. Okay, good. So, okay, fine. So, so this is about the complete full stack program. Okay. So everyone, those who are joining for the online students, please join with the same link. And offline students, you can from classroom session. And I forgot to tell you one point. Every time there is a option for switching. అంటే ఇవాళ ఆఫ్లైన్ అటెండ్ అయ్యారు, ఆఫ్టర్ ఫ్యూ డేస్ మీకు ఆఫ్లైన్ కుదరలేదు అనుకోండి బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీథింగ్, యూ కెన్ అటెండ్ ఆన్లైన్. అండ్ ఆన్లైన్ వచ్చే వాళ్ళు కూడా ఆఫ్లైన్ షిఫ్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు, no problem. Okay, you can always do that, online to offline and offline to online you can attend, but you should not miss the session. That is important. You have that opportunity. Online attend అయ్యే వాళ్ళైనా ఆఫ్లైన్ వాళ్ళకైనా సేమ్ accessibility ఉంటుంది, సేమ్ thing you will be getting, everything, every feature you will be getting for both online and offline. Okay, so you can attend in any mode of session and you can practice in the lab. Okay, and all of you attend tomorrow also at the same time. And those who missed the session in the beginning or ఇవాళ session miss అయ్యి రేపటి నుంచి జాయిన్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళు కూడా జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. Okay, inform your friends or anyone. If you have missed the demo 1 session, you can start from demo 2 always, because the recorded session will be posted in the YouTube also and they will give you that link. సో మిస్ అయిన వాళ్ళ ఆ లింక్ చూసి డెమో 2 అటెండ్ అవ్వచ్చు. సో డెమో 2లో జస్ట్ ఒక క్విక్ రివిజన్ ఆఫ్ డెమో 1 ఇచ్చి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ డెమో 2 టుమారో వీ విల్ బి సీయింగ్ అబౌట్ UI information, about HTML and everything, and about, if possible, I will be telling about installing the software of Visual Studio also. Okay, don't miss tomorrow's session everyone. Okay, do you have any other? Yes, the class timings will be from 5:15 to 6:15 every day. IST, Indian Standard Time. You will be having from 5:15 to 6:15. Okay, then if no more questions, I will log out the session. Please join tomorrow at the same time. Okay, bye everyone. Have a nice day.